What's going on, YouTube? Back to you on another cold day. It started snowing probably about 35-40 minutes ago. It's probably about 2:40 right now, and it's starting to come on down. It's starting to come down. It's probably about 17 degrees right now. The low tonight's supposed to be, I think, -2, I think. But we'll come back with another video. We'll do a little time lapse on how much snow falls. Alright, we're back. It's like 4:22 and the snow is constantly coming down. It came down quite a bit since earlier when I did the video, but it's coming on down. Got the Tahoe windshield covered up. Had to cover up the train horns too. But yeah, it's coming down pretty good. Still a gully. They go around most of the property. And we'll come back. Good morning, YouTube. It is Monday. It's almost 7 o'clock and it's still snowing. It is still coming down. I'm about to get this Tahoe crunk up, get it warmed up, and attempt to go to work. Yeah, it's still coming down. Big time. I think we've got about, I want to say maybe about 5, maybe 6 inches, give or take. Yeah, it's cold. I think it's like 12 degrees right now. Yeah, about 12 degrees. All right, I'm gonna come back to you another couple hours later. What's going on, YouTube? Making an attempt to work. And a lot of snow came down overnight. Yo, back to you again. Made it to work. Don't know how long we're gonna be here today, but just a few of us showed up due to the roads. But man, it is like 12 degrees right now. Still coming down. Oh well. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me, rocking with me on this snowy, ice cold day. Peace.